Are there habits in your life that are holding you back from reaching your full potential? We all have them, those little routines that sneak into our daily lives, seemingly harmless at first, but slowly shaping our behavior and ultimately, our destiny. Today, we're embarking on a journey to confront these habits, the ones that are like invisible shackles keeping us from soaring high. Habits, as mundane as they may seem, hold an incredible power over us. They dictate our actions, mold our thoughts, and shape our future. They are the silent puppeteers pulling the strings behind the stage of our lives. However, not all habits are created equal. Some are our allies, leading us towards success, while others, the harmful ones, are like termites, slowly eating away at our potential. It's these harmful habits we're going to delve into today, the ones that are holding you back from becoming the best version of yourself. Prepare yourself to confront these 4 harmful habits and learn how to eliminate them from your life. First on the list is a notorious offender, procrastination. Procrastination, the art of delaying or postponing tasks. It's a sneaky habit, creeping into our lives under the guise of, "I'll do it later." But let's be honest, later often turns into never. So, why is procrastination harmful? Well, the most obvious reason is that it impedes productivity. We all have 24 hours in a day, but when we procrastinate, we're essentially letting valuable time slip through our fingers. Instead of accomplishing tasks and progressing, we're stuck in a perpetual state of inactivity. It's akin to being stuck in quicksand. The more you delay, the deeper you sink. But it's not just about wasted time. Procrastination also leads to a buildup of stress. Think about it. When you have a task looming over your head, it's like a dark cloud, casting a shadow on your peace of mind. The longer you wait to tackle it, the larger and darker that cloud becomes. So, how do we combat this habit? Well, the first step is recognizing it for what it is, a roadblock to your success. Once you've identified the enemy, you can strategize on how to defeat it. One effective method is to prioritize your tasks. By determining which tasks are most important and focusing on those first, you can ensure that your time and energy are being spent wisely. It's about working smarter, not harder. Next, consider breaking your tasks into manageable chunks. This can make even the most daunting tasks seem less overwhelming. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither will your success be. It's a process, a journey, and every small step you take brings you closer to your goal. Finally, remember to reward yourself for your progress. It's not about being perfect, it's about improving, growing, and moving forward. So, when you accomplish a task, no matter how small, celebrate that victory. It will motivate you to keep going. Remember, every journey starts with a single step. Take that step today, not tomorrow. Next up, a habit that can be silent but devastating: negative self-talk. We all have that little voice in our heads, the one that chimes in with commentary about our lives. Unfortunately for many of us, this voice is often critical, even harsh. This is what we call negative self-talk, a habit that can be as damaging as it is common. So, what exactly is negative self-talk? It's the habit of constantly telling yourself that you can't do things, that you're not good enough, that you're a failure. It's that internal dialogue that hinders your ability to believe in yourself and your abilities. Now, why is it harmful? Well, for starters, it can seriously lower your self-esteem. If you're always telling yourself you're not good enough, you'll start to believe it. This can lead to a self-fulfilling prophecy, where you don't try new things or take on challenges because you've convinced yourself you'll fail. Moreover, negative self-talk hinders personal growth. It's hard to grow and improve when you're constantly criticizing yourself. Negative self-talk can keep you stuck in a cycle of self-doubt and fear, preventing you from moving forward and achieving your goals. So, how can we remove this damaging habit from our lives? Firstly, it's crucial to become aware of it. Start by noticing when you engage in negative self-talk. Pay attention to the situations that trigger it and the words you use. Next, practice mindfulness. This means being present and aware of your thoughts and feelings without judgment. It's about acknowledging your negative self-talk, but not letting it control you. Another powerful tool is positive affirmations. These are positive statements that can help you challenge and overcome your negative thoughts. For example, instead of telling yourself, "I can't do this," try saying, "I have the ability to handle whatever comes my way." It's also helpful to surround yourself with positivity. This could be positive people, uplifting books, or inspiring music. Anything that makes you feel good and counters the negativity in your mind. Remember, it's a process. Changing a habit takes time, but every step you take towards positivity is a victory. Make your mind a place where positivity thrives and negativity dies. The third habit to break free from is overworking. Overworking, a habit seemingly praised in our hustle culture, is actually more harmful than beneficial. We're often told that the more we work, the more we achieve. But is this really the case? Let's delve into the realities of overworking. It's like running a car engine without stopping for fuel or maintenance. Eventually it leads to burnout, a state of chronic stress that affects both your physical and mental health. Symptoms of burnout can range from chronic fatigue to depression, and it's a state that's not easy to bounce back from. Moreover, overworking can lead to serious health issues. Studies have shown that those who work long hours are more likely to suffer from heart disease, diabetes, and even certain types of cancer. And it's not just physical health that's at risk. Overworking can lead to social isolation as we sacrifice our relationships and hobbies in the name of getting more work done. So how can we break free from the habit of overworking? The first step is setting boundaries. Establish a clear delineation between work and personal life. This could be as simple as setting strict working hours or having a dedicated workspace at home. Next, take regular breaks. Just like how a car needs to stop for fuel and maintenance, our brains also need time to rest and recharge. Don't skip lunch breaks and make sure to take short breaks throughout the day. Finally, it's important to remember that productivity isn't just about how much you work, but also the quality of your work. Instead of focusing on the number of hours you're working, focus on accomplishing your tasks efficiently. And remember, it's okay to say no. You don't have to accept every project or task that comes your way. Prioritize what's important and learn to delegate or refuse what's not. So let's challenge the status quo. Let's redefine success not by how much we work, but by the quality of our work and life. Remember, you are a human, not a machine. Work to live, don't live to work. Last, but certainly not least, is the habit of ignoring physical health. This habit is unfortunately quite common, and its negative effects can be far-reaching. When we don't take care of our bodies, we're essentially ignoring a key part of our overall well-being. Neglecting physical health manifests in many ways. Perhaps you're skipping meals, not getting enough sleep, or you've abandoned your exercise routine. Maybe you're consuming too much junk food and not enough fruits, vegetables, and lean proteins. Or perhaps you're always seated, leading to a sedentary lifestyle. Why is this harmful? Well, for starters, it can lead to a multitude of health issues. This includes, but is not limited to, obesity, heart disease, diabetes, and even mental health problems like depression and anxiety. Furthermore, ignoring your physical health can also decrease your energy levels, making you feel sluggish and tired all the time. This, in turn, can affect your productivity, your relationships, and your overall quality of life. Now the question is, how can we remove this harmful habit from our lives? The answer is quite simple, but it requires dedication and consistency. Firstly, it's crucial to incorporate regular exercise into our routine. This doesn't necessarily mean going to the gym every day. It can be as simple as taking a walk around the block, doing some yoga at home, or even dancing to your favorite tunes. The goal is to get moving and keep your body active. Secondly, we need to pay attention to our diet. A balanced diet is key to maintaining good health. This means consuming a variety of foods, including fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains, while limiting intake of processed foods and sugary drinks. Finally, we must ensure we're getting enough sleep. Sleep is when our bodies repair and rejuvenate, and not getting enough of it can lead to numerous health problems. In conclusion, taking care of our physical health is not a luxury, it's a necessity. Remember, your body is a living, breathing organism that needs care and attention. Your body is your temple. Take care of it and it will take care of you. So there you have it, 4 harmful habits to remove from your life. We began with procrastination, the thief of time. Remember to prioritize and focus on tasks that move you closer to your goals. Don't let the fear of perfection paralyze you from taking action. Next, we discussed negative self-talk. The words you speak to yourself matter. Replace any negative thoughts with positive affirmations. Believe in your capability to succeed. Then we tackled overworking, a habit that can lead to burnout and diminish your productivity. Learn to strike a balance. Work smart, not hard, and remember to take regular breaks to recharge. Finally, we touched on ignoring physical health. Your body is your temple. Nurture it with regular exercise, a balanced diet, and adequate sleep. Let's take action today and start making these changes. Small steps can lead to significant transformations. Change might be hard, but it's often necessary. Break these habits now and unlock your full potential.